It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2020 Toyota Camry SE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Camry. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 4 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have automatic headlamps, traction control, the trunk release and the gas cap release, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and a leather interior. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the audio controls and Bluetooth command, and on the right side we have cruise control and lane departure alert. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash by using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, some interior lights and a place to store your sunglasses. Next is our infotainment screen. This screen displays the time and also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, some USB ports and power plug-ins, dual cup holders, and heated front seats. Under the hood of the Camry is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 17-inch aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, and the exterior color is black. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger car. The passenger door has power windows with an auto express window, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has a small storage compartment, rubber floor mats on the floor, and the middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. So come take a look at the 2020 Toyota Camry SE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.